Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is FILL feel, THE the, MISSING missing, LETTERS letters, feel the missing letters. So dear children, in this topic some words are incomplete and you will have to feel a correct letter at proper place and then you will have to complete that word. So the first is T dash B dash A. So dear children, which word is this? Now first I would like to give you the clue. Yes, this is, tell me what is this? This is tabla. Then what is the spelling of the tabla? T A B L A, tabla. So dear children, we will write T after A, then B, then L, then A, tabla. So dear children, tabla is a pair of twin hand drums from the Indian subcontinent. Tabla is frequently played in popular and the folk music performances. Tabla is also an important instrument in the bhakti, devotional, traditional of Hindus and Sikhism, such as during bhajan, kirtan, singing. It is one of the main qawwali instrument used by Sufi musicians. Tabla also features in dance performance such as Kathak. So now, dear children, so you will feel T after A, then B, L, then A. TABLA, tabla. Now the second is L dash P T dash P. So tell me, which word is this? In this word, two letters are missing and you will have to fill correct letter. So dear children, there are two letters are missing. So we will have to fill these two letters and then you will have to complete this word. So which word is this? This is, see the picture. What is this? This is laptop. Laptop spelling L A P T O P. So dear children, you will write L after A, then P T O P. Laptop, LAPTOP, laptop. A laptop is a small portable personal computer with a keyboard on the inside of the lower lid. People can carry them anywhere, whether office, at or home. They can be used in a smaller space than a desk computer. A laptop is a personal computer that can be used as a variety of locations. It is designed to be more portable than traditional desktop computers with many features. Now the next is K dash I F dash. Now tell me, my dear students, in this word also there are two letters missing and you will have to fill that letters and you will have to complete this word. So now I would like to give you the clue. What is this? This is knife and the knife spelling is KNIFE, knife. So which letter is missing? We will write K after NIFE, knife. So dear children, a knife is a tool with cutting edge or blade attached to a handle. Knives can serve various purposes. Hunters use a hunting knife. hikers carry a pocket knife. There are kitchen knives for preparing foods, table knives, butter knives. It is basically used in kitchen to cut objects in pieces. So, dear children, what is this? This is knife, and you will feel KNIFE, knife. Now, the next is T dash A dash N. What is this? In this word also, two letters are missing, and you will have to fill correct letter at proper place, and then you will have to complete this word. So, what is this? Yes, see, dear students, this is train. Yes, the train spelling is TRAIN, train. So, T after R you will write, then A, then I, then N. TRAIN, train. So, children, trains are built to transport passengers and cargo along rail tracks. There are all kind of different trains that are built for a range of purposes and environments. Trains can be powered by a variety of energy sources including steam, diesel and electricity. Now, so you will feel here TRAIN, train. Now the next is TE dash PL P-E. So, in this word also two letters are missing, and you will have to fill these two letters and you will have to complete this word. So, now I would like to give you the clue. Yes, what is this, dear? This is temple, and the temple spelling is TEMPLE, temple. So, dear children, we will write here TEM, then PLE, temple. So, children, temple is a place where God was worshipped. It was made from different materials like gold, wood, concrete, stone, etc. Hindus make offerings to a statue. The Hindu buildings for worship is called temples. The temples are dedicated to different gods and are the focus of religious life. Temples is defined as the building constructed of worship God. In religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, a temple is a building reserved for religious and spiritual rituals and activities such as prayer and sacrifice. Now then, so what you will write? You will write TEMPLE, temple. Now the next is K dash double N dash L. So what is this, my dear? Now I would like to give you the clue. Yes, what is this? This is dog house. And what is the dog house? What is the name of dog house? Kennel, KENNEL, kennel. So we will write K after ENNEL, kennel. So children, a kennel or a dog house is a small shed commonly built in the shape of a house to provide dog with a sense of security and protection from various weather conditions. So, we used to make this dog house with the help of wood, plastic, hardwood. So, this is kennel. Kennel spelling KENNEL, kennel. Now, the next is, this is L dash double T dash R. So, what is this, dear? This is letter. Letter spelling is LETTER, letter. We will write Letter. Letter. A letter is written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper. Any such message that is transferred with the help of post is a letter, a written conversation between two persons. It is also a message conveyed from one person to another through letter. It is usually put in an envelope and sent to someone. So the letter is, spelling is Letter, letter. Now the next is FR-D-E. So in this word also two letters are missing, and we will have to fill these two letters at proper place, and then we will have to complete this word. So now I would like to give you the clue. Yes, you can see. What is this, dear students? This is phrase. F-R-I-D-G-E. So, students, we will write F-R-I-D-G-E phrase. It is used to keep things cold and protect food materials from spoiling. It has a head pump which takes heat away from air inside fridge. It is a substance used for food storage. A freeze is a box in which food, drinks are kept cool by ice. So, dear children, you will have to complete this, fill the missing letters in your GK copy. Thank you.